Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today for a nice, lovely facial with my beautiful client. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now, the first product I'm going to be using is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. This product is an oil-based product. It works great for removing makeup, sweat, oils, anything you can ever think of. This is the perfect product to set the tone for what you're going to do next. We're gonna work it in circular motions. We're using her the spongy to wipe her off. The next product we're going to use is the Image Cleanser. This is a cell cleanser, which is great for acne prone skin. My client is suffering from acne and also hyperpigmentation, so this is definitely a great product to target any acne breakouts. What I'm doing is just working it in a circular motion, making sure we're getting every single area down to her neck, her cheeks, her forehead. We're just working the product into her skin. The next product is by Skin Script, and this is an exfoliator. It smells so good. The scent that I have is raspberry, and it smells good and it gets the job done. So if you do have any whiteheads or just have a lot of dead skin that you have to get off, this is definitely a great product to use to remove all the dead skin from your face. Let me know if you guys have ever used any of these products. Let me know if it's working for you. If you have seen any progress so far, I would like to know your feedback on the type of skincare products you use as well as your regimen. I'm using Skin Script. This is Autumn Spice. I use two Autumn Spice as well as the pomegranate enzyme. The pomegranate enzyme can be very strong, so I mixed it with the Autumn Spice and it just has a great effect. The pomegranate is great for acne prone skin. Is filled with salicylic acid, RB10, and other great products that's gonna relieve any issues that is causing the breakout. So it's very great. I leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I do remove it with a hot towel. We had a lot to talk about that day. The link will also be down below for you guys. You can check out my online store. I have products such as the Skin Script RX, which is the products I'm using, as well as Image, and just a lot of other things. So check it out. If you are interested, I'll leave the link down below for you. Remember to test out the towel, make sure it's not too hot for the client. Sometimes the warmers can be extremely hot, so just make sure you check with the client to make sure the temperature is okay with them. Everyone is different, so it's always great to ask the questions. So I'm using a toner by SkinScript. It is called the Mint Toner. I believe I would also leave that down below. The mint toner is great for combination skin as well as oily skin, and it helps to reduce the oiliness of your skin and the breakouts as well. Now it's time for extractions. My client had a few extractions, some whiteheads and things of that sort that she needed to be removed around the nose for some reason. A lot of people tend to, since we sweat around our nose, we tend to have a lot of whiteheads. So she did have a few. Let me know also, do you guys, the SDs out there, do you guys use gloves or not? Because I do see a few videos of SDs, they're wearing gloves, some are not wearing gloves. Which one do you prefer? Especially in this climate. Sometimes it is great to have the skin to skin contact, but then again, I do understand the people who want to use gloves. So you guys let me know how you feel about that. The scrubber works, the spatula. I love this product so much. It really gets it in. Again, we're using the mint refining toner, excuse me. It smells so good as well. All the products from SkinScript, it smells so good. Okay, so next we have the hyaluronic acid serum. We're prepping the skin. Okay, this device I love because it does target acne and it reduces the bacteria that forms. So I love it because I myself have oily skin and acne prone skin. And after I use this product, it really does break down my acne. So after a day or two, like I'm so surprised and so happy with the results that I do have with this product. You do have to realize sanitizing is key. Sanitize before each client and after each client. That goes for any product. You make sure you wipe everything down and sanitize every single product as you go through. High frequency is one of my faves. Now we're using hydro jelly mask. I am using the mint hydro jelly mask. I love these because, as I mentioned, this targets acne I myself have acne, and I've used this product several times, and my skin have come a long way. When I tell you, the before and after is ridiculous. So you can use this several times per week, 2 to 3 times per week, and you will definitely see the results. That, in conjunction with the high frequency device, I definitely recommend because it gets the job done. LED light therapy, blue is great for acne as well. Make sure we get everything off of her face. Cleanse her again with the mint refining toner. I'm heavy handed. I know. I have to work on that. This device, I believe, is called the spatula. Forgive me if I get it wrong. And there's multiple settings on this device. The setting I'm using is to lock in the serum that I just placed on her face, which is the hyaluronic acid serum. So this product is basically locking in, this method that I'm doing right now is locking in the moisture to make sure she has juicy, beautiful skin. You will see in the end the difference, the before and after. And it feels good, to be honest. My client has come a long way from how she started till now. I'm so proud of the results that I'm seeing so far. I really am. Okay, this is the light aloe from Skin Script. It feels so good on the skin. It's a little liquidy, so you have to really work it in. As you see I'm doing right now, just working in the product. So a little does go a long way, so just be mindful of that as well. And this product is by Image. This is the SPF 50. I'm going to work that into her skin. And some SPF, they do give you this white cast around your face, so you definitely have to work it in. Image is not that bad, to be honest, because I've had some worse SPFs. And now I'm putting the lip moisturizer by Skin Script, and this is the final result. She is beautiful, beautiful skin.